Hello everyone, for this video we've got a knife sharpening setup here, but this time we're going to take a look at the whetstone and the knife edges using my digital microscope. It's not the best quality, it's pretty cheap, but you can see pretty zoomed in portion. I'm going to try to capture as much as I can on the microscope. We'll do some comparisons. All right, downstairs in the kitchen, we've got what I think is the dullest knife out of the whole set. These two smaller ones seem to be popular. They look like they've been used a lot. And these two, they actually look like twins. They came from the same set, same handle, right? Similar handle, similar shape. And we'll do a before and after, sort of, as in we'll just do one of the twins and then we'll sharpen one of them and take a look at how they compare. Our whetstone, the brown one, looks like this. This is supposed to be 1000. I think it's 1000 grit. So what does 1000 mean is supposedly in 1 square inch, or in a certain type of filter where they're filtering out particulates, like the actual size of the grains of the sanding material or whetstone material, 1000 pieces, 1000 individual pieces will fit through 1 square inch. Okay, so if I'm looking at 1 square inch, there we count them, it's 1000 pieces. All right, and on the other side, switch to the white side. It's also been soaking in water, and ignoring these water spots, this is supposed to be 6,000. 6,000. The numbers on the side. Nope, some whetstones, they'll actually have the number of grit, right? Higher number means more particles per square inch. Okay, so you can think of it like resolution for a screen, right? You have a 4K display or a 1080 or a 720p, right? That means per section of the screen, that's how many pixels can fit in it, all right? And then for grit, the higher the number, that's how many pieces of particles can fit per section of the sandpaper or whetstone. This was twin number 1. We were going to set this one aside. Twin number 2 seemed like it needed more sharpening. All right, so twin number 1 set aside. Twin number 2, we're going to take a look at the microscopic view. These two are what I'm trying to get out. So we'll do a time lapse and we'll check on the progress at the end. Holding the sharpened knife in one hand, and that's the unsharpened one. Okay. Okay. And then, okay. Now, really trying to be careful there. No bias. Can you see which one has been sharpened and which one hasn't? You can see there's very dull flat parts, right, where you see a lot of white. That's the light from the microscope being reflected back into the camera. I was holding these two side by side. You can even kind of see on the camera, right, there's a lot of imperfections. On the left side, that's the unsharpened twin, and on the right side, nice and clean.